Hey guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD for another episode of our daily stock market insights. And in this video, I'm going to cover two stocks that were requested by Arlen. Okay, so Arlen, this is for you. We first talk about MEG. So MEG and CHIB. So these are the stocks that she wanted me to review. Okay, for MEG, I think this is really a promising stock. We had a confirmed bounce at the MA20 line, so that's looking good. And if you are to observe here, it's respecting slightly, there's some slight overshoot below the MA20 line, but overall, that's your support area. So each time it goes down, it's a little bit higher than the previous one. So that's it's starting to form an uptrend channel right there. But in the short term, just take note of a resistance nearby, which is around this level. So that is your nearest possible resistance. So just in case people would like to take profit, your recommended entry would be anywhere, as near as you can to the MA20 line. That's still an okay level. Volume is not that significant as of yet, not that much, as you can see right there. So I'm thinking there will still be fluctuation that might happen. I'm thinking this resistance area could even be respected and we might experience some slight rejection once it goes near here. But again, your cue here is the moment we break out of the 329 area, then that's a good sign because we might now experience some higher highs, probably like this, and then goes back here and then continue to move up. We might see it making a channel that looks like this. Okay, so that is our outlook for MEG. So if you can get in as near as you can to the MA20 line, even better. And hopefully you are already profitable. There's still a promising uh, outlook here. We're just halfway in terms of our recovery for this stock. Ultimately, a strong resistance would be around 430. So still, if you want, you can use that as your next profit taking level, or you can even wait a little longer because at one point it even reached the 6 peso area. So I don't expect for this to happen overnight or anytime soon. Slowly climb up. That's my outlook. It would slowly climb up. You will experience first some fluctuations in profit taking levels before it goes higher. Next is CHIB. CHIB is very near a possible resistance, which is, I'm thinking it's just filling this gap at the moment. This is your gap over here. Okay, and we're very near that level, so I'm thinking it's filling that gap, and we might see this being rejected at this level and it might even go back to this area. So my take here is this is just good for range trading at the moment. MA20 line up to this area. So we don't know if it is going to break this, but if it gets rejected, you have to wait for the stock to, drop and bounce at the MA20 line. So if let's say you enter at around MA20, what will it be? Oh, not that much. It's only 2%. So I'm not sure what your entry price is at the moment, but for me, the good entry would be around the MA20 line, which is around 24.50. Now let's take a look at the bigger picture on a weekly chart. Okay, so notice this stock has also dropped significantly. At one point, it even reached as high as 48, 49 around that area, and we're now only at the 24, 25 level. So it might take some time, but again, this is China Bank. We're not seeing this stock collapsing anytime soon. So knock on the wood. There you go. A very stable bank as well. So it's just the overall sentiment that the company is down. Even even BDO experienced a massive drop and it's just starting to recover now. MVT, the same thing. Like almost all the banks. BPI. So CHIB is not spared. It's just that at least right now we're moving higher than the MA20 line. You might see stabilization first before it takes off. Just know where your profit taking level is and how long are you willing to wait to get that, to reach that area. Okay, but I am sure it might take some time. So prepare for a longer wait time here because yep, so far the overall sentiment of the investors towards the financial sector is still flat. Nothing but at least the index is starting to recover, so I'm thinking it will also follow slowly. Slowly it will recover. But it's good to, if you are positive with CHIB, this is the time to accumulate so that when the bull run comes, you have already positioned at a level where price is at a cheaper level. Okay, so that's it for the two stocks that I have reviewed for you, Arlen. I hope I was able to help. Um, and I'm really not sure what level you entered here, but those are my key takeaways. MA20 line is a powerful line, is a powerful key level normally. So particularly for CHIB, we're still very near that area. So uh, stay tuned. We'll monitor this. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.